will keep all of your crystals stay in place. Your clients will not able to like, I love the crystal placements, but it keep catching on my hair, on my clothes, it snack on my things, and I love it, but I'm not going to get it. You know, you don't want the clients to feel really uncomfortable when they're wearing it. I'm wearing this like 3D like this. I don't have any issue at all. We just seal them in. So now you see I'm going to check. Do a little exam first around with your crystals, and then if you feel it's scratchy, you're always going to seal it and seals underneath of the crystal around the edges, not on the top. And here's some tip and trick. I squeeze a little bit out, and then if it's the excess one, you can using the twin tip brush on the other end and blend it. So then that way, when you cure, after you cure your nails, your design doesn't look lumpy. So stay nice and flawless. So now we are going to cure for 60 seconds. You see that I sealed it on the base of the crystal, but I didn't seal it. I sealed on the base of crystal and sealed on the top of the beads, but I didn't seal on the top of the crystal because it's going to affect and destroy the sparkle, the shines, and the cut of the crystals. So we are going to move on to the next one.
All right, and there we do have acrylic powder, so you can get them all at glitzsuch.com. Come check it out.
Yes, Dara, we do have acrylics powder. We have a lot of tutorial for that as well. We just had it in like lots of tutorials for liquid and powder as well. Ours acrylics powders is 2-in-1, so you can definitely use it for your a monomer methods, or you can use it for the dipping. So really silky, smooth, and it blends so easy. So it's really easy for you to using with to create its ombre and also create a marblings. Encapsulate our crystal clear is super clear. It doesn't leave it's all that affects turning yellows at all after you using a crystal clear. So give you really confident to doing encapsulate or glass nails is so easy. And you can DM us. We can send you some videos for liquid and powders that we share. Here is a tool look. Move just forward just a little bit, Nika.